Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I am discussing the solution of the question. The state of Missouri has three major power generating companies A, B, and C. During the months of peak demand, the Missouri Power Authority authorizes these companies to pool their excess supply and to distribute it to smaller independent power companies that do not have the generators large enough to handle the demand. So here they provided a table where we have the constants in the table listed in the form of values. So total we have W, X, Y, Z and three rows A, B and C. And for each row and column we have the values listed over here. Then we have excess supply column and unfilled power demand. So these values will be provided as constant parts of this question. Then our goal is to find the least cost distribution system. So here I have already solved this question using Excel solver and Excel formulas. So first sheet, this is my file where I have defined variables AW, AX, AY, AZ, BW, BX, BY, BZ, CW, CX, CY, CZ to be the number of units shipped from A, B, and C to destinations W, X, Y, and Z. Now already they have mentioned to minimize the cost. So minimization is this format and these are all our constants. So total number of constants are 7. And then this report is the final answer report, which I have created automatically using Excel solver. So this one is generated using Excel solver and the value is 635. Then we have a sensitivity report sheet. Then the limit sheet, which has the limits report. And this one is our solution report. So this table I have set up using Excel solver, where this one is the decision variables. So they are listed using the solver itself. And then we have 7 constants that I have defined automatically in the solver format. And then we have the minimum profit, which I've described in the formulation part. And here the total profit, which is 635. And this one is our optimal solutions. So this is the solver setup and the complete solution, which we require for this question. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe me for more videos. And if you need this Excel file, you can reach me out over my email address and my WhatsApp number, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So I hope you like this video. And if you have more questions or if you're stuck in any question or if you need some help in this textbook, you can reach me out as well for the other questions as well. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.